Welcome to the 15th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at conflict at work, what unions are and how they help, as well as contracts. A contract of employment is a document that details an employee's and employer's responsibilities for a particular job. The national living wage is the minimum amount to be paid to an employee over the age of 25. The national minimum wage is the minimum amount to be paid to an employee. Trade unions are organizations that look after the interests of a group of people. There are many reasons for conflict at work. People may be expected to work long hours, have to work in dangerous or unhealthy conditions, receive poor pay, be dismissed without reason or not be treated as individuals with individual needs. Before laws were introduced to protect people, some employers treated their staff unfairly and took advantage of them. Employment laws to protect the rights of employees and make sure businesses fulfill their responsibilities to their staff. Without these laws, people's human rights to fair conditions at work could be harder to protect. Without these laws, there is more likely to be conflict. Employees began to form trade unions so that they could negotiate with employers to reach fairer agreements on pay and working conditions. Over the years, these agreements have led to huge improvements in the rights of employees. Unions can fight for things their members think are important. People can raise issues that they think are affecting fellow workers and they can then vote on whether they should take action. An example of an action they might take is going on strike. By trying to persuade employers and Parliament to adopt fairer and safer working practices, the unions prove to be effective pressure groups in looking after the interests of their members. A group of people bargaining together is more powerful than individuals working alone. Can you remember all the things that contracts include? A contract has to include things like names of employer and employee, entitlement to sick pay, date of starting, pension details and rate of pay, among other things. In the exam, you might be asked to explain how unions can help employees.
We go together like Rama Rama Rama, ding 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 dong, remember forever as you walk.